All right, so for the last video here for section 5.5, I just want to give you a bunch of practice problems. So here are a bunch of problems, and you can pause the video and try all of these. I'm not going to go ahead and go through full solutions of these ones yet. If you want to see full solutions, perhaps we can do that in our meeting, or I can, you can come to me during office hours and we can discuss it then. But what I do want to do, give you a chance here to try it on your own, and then I'm going to give you some hints. And the hints will be in the form of what should you select to be you. Pause the video, try this yourself, and now I'm going to go ahead and go through these, and I'm going to suggest what you can make u equal to get these to work out. So for the first one, we have a cosine of x here sitting by itself, right? So u equals sine of x will work well for that one. Okay. All right, for the second one, we have an x in the denominator, right? Okay, so you can think of the natural log of x plus 5, all of that. You can think of that as being multiplied by 1 over x, right? Division by x is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. And 1 over x, remember, is the derivative of the natural log of x. So u equals the natural log of x here is going to work pretty well. So try that. Third one. This one is a bit difficult because this is one where you have to use this idea of a change of variables without necessarily expecting the u substitution to work as it usually does with like an inverse chain rule. So use u substitution to do a change of variables, and what we want is to get this to be a simple power function as opposed to a composition of functions. So use u equals x plus 5. Okay, you're going to have this x on the outside to deal with as well, but I showed an example of how to do that a few videos back. Number 4 here is, so the last two here, by the way, definite integrals. So I want you to practice this. Number 4 here is pretty straightforward. You can just have u be 2x plus 1, via that composition there, and that should work out pretty well. And then number 5 here. For this one, this is a pretty straightforward u sub as well, where we have a composition of functions. Oh, rather. Okay, stop. We have a composition of functions going on over here, and we've got to deal with the inner function being negative x squared, and the outer function is e to the power u, so negative x squared. Try that, and you should be able to deal with this x right here by that process. Okay, I want to apologize. My son has been in the room with me while I'm recording the last few videos, so I apologize for the occasional disruption, but it's just the way it needed to be today. But I think we're done now.